What is baobab in Shona? The mighty baobab is a distinct tree that can be found in Zimbabwe. It is sometimes referred to as the upside-down tree because of its distinct branches that make it appear like a tree that has been uprooted and plopped back in the earth just the wrong way around. The base of the baobab can grow to considerable width, and one ancient hollow baobab tree in Zimbabwe can shelter up to 40 people. Carbon dating suggests that the baobab can live for 3,000 years. The baobab can hold up to 4,500 litres of water, and its bark can provide rope and cloth. Its fresh leaves boost the immune system, and its fruit is a superfood rich in vitamin C, iron, calcium, potassium, and vitamin A. The humble baobab is called Mu'uyu in Shona. Its fruit is called Ma'uyu in Shona. Subscribe to SARURA Kids YouTube channel for more fun facts about Zimbabwe.